Hi guys, Jackie from the basement, happy with a twist, Acrylic Pours Plus, and we're coming to look at what I did yesterday. That purple with the shape-shifting black, purple, and plum, and the gold, 24K gold, and the oxide black. Okay, so this one's going to be titled Lesson Learned. Now, I've heard many times Marcy, Mixed Media Girl, stating that Floetrol is self-leveling. That's in my head there. It's in my head. But did I think about it when I was using the Artist Loft pouring medium? Nope. And as you can see, there's some ridges on here, because I don't think that paint is self-leveling, or the pouring medium, I'm sorry. So what I may have to do is possibly pour some Floetrol into that black flash. Okay, second lesson I learned is don't put your finger in there if it doesn't quite look like it's dry. Oh my gosh, isn't that just beautiful? Oh, gracious goodness. Yeah, I'm going to say there wasn't, it appears more on camera than it does in real time. You can see the purple here on the camera, but in real time you really can't. So we're just going to say poo on this one and try another one another day. And we're going to hopefully leave the gold out because I think the black, oh, what's it called again? Black flash, there we go. I think that has enough of the metallic in it without using the gold. So that's my little lesson for the day. So we will see you guys next time. Take care. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.